Hi everyone, my name is Idil and welcome to Eat and Shine. I have a recipe for you guys, a breakfast recipe that is going to make you shine. It's so nice to eat, it's the perfect dish for breakfast. It's really good for you, it fills you up, it gives you energy for the day. What I'll do is, we're going to make sweet potato breakfast dish. Maybe you've run into this on the internet, it's quite popular as of now. I've tried it, really liked it and decided to share it with you guys. So first off, I'm going to bake the sweet potatoes. I'm using 2 sweet potatoes. This is quite a lot of breakfast, but I'll usually eat it all. And you know, I won't get hungry for the rest of the day. Until dinner, I'll feel good. My energy levels will be off the roof. I'm going to bake them using an oven bag. You can wrap it in aluminum foil, you can wrap it in parchment paper. This will help it cook faster. That's why I'm going to do this. I'm quite hungry. I'm simply going to transfer this to my preheated oven at 200 Celsius degrees and I'm going to cook it about 45-50 minutes. I really want them nice and soft, a mashable consistency. I washed them, kept the peel on, and after I take it out of the oven, I'm going to wait until it has cooled down a little bit. We're going to garnish it with some fruits, make a date caramel. It's going to be amazing. I'll see you in 50 minutes. The sweet potatoes have baked in the oven. They're nice and mushy. This is exactly how I want them. So I'd like to serve these with date caramel. So what I'm going to do is, to my blender here, food processor, I'm adding about 6 dates. Absolutely love dates. I think they're one of the greatest foods ever. I'm adding some cinnamon and half a cup of water. Let's give it a go. Looks great. Oh, smells so good. The cinnamon really does the trick here. It gives it such a nice aroma. And I'm simply going to transfer my sweet potatoes to my plate here. Give them a slit with my knife. Sweet potatoes are packed with vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin A. They're good for sleep problems, they're good for stress, they're very fibrous, which means they're really good for your digestive system. And you know, we usually eat it as a side dish, like sweet potato fries. I'm sure you've had them before, but it's actually great to eat them for breakfast as well. Especially if you have like big days planned, you can start your day off with some sweet potatoes. So now in goes bananas. And if your bananas have spots on them, it's even better. It means they're ready to eat. And what I do with these peels is I don't throw them into trash. I'll soak them with water overnight and I'll water my plants with it. They're really good for plants. The potassium in bananas are really good for plants. Now I'm going to fill the sweet potatoes with the bananas and the blueberries. And last but not least, the date caramel. Just drizzle it with some. I seriously think this is better than regular caramel. It's so rich and so sweet. I just love it. And some mint leaves and we are ready to go. So sweet potatoes, loaded sweet potatoes for breakfast. I absolutely love starting my day with these. Do try. It will make you feel good, it will make you look good, it will make your skin look good. It's really good for your skin, sweet potatoes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more healthy food, if you want to see Mediterranean, Turkish food, please don't forget to leave your comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.